Hello and welcome to this wonderful UI5 course. My name is Ajay Naik. I have played multiple roles working with UI5 as a consultant, architect and also independent contractor. And with my friend Nuno Correa, we would like to take you to a journey which is filled with amazing experiences. This course is one to select if you want to work with SAP UI5. We will take you from wireframe to design, from knowing UI5 libraries to understanding what is the key to become master in using it. We will cover almost all the major elements which you are going to use in your project, may it be list, tables or tiles. We will also simulate the error for you, so you know exactly what to do when you are on your own. May it be styling session, to get a good hold on tools which you need to know, or data binding which often takes weeks to learn. After taking this course, it will be a piece of cake for you. We have covered events, formatters, factory functions, localization, fragmentation, use of third-party libraries, use of visualization, use of KPI tiles, literally everything in details. So take this course and I will give you my personal guarantee that you will be able to work in any SAP UI5 project after this. So join me and I will see you in this course.